As we get into the swing of the new year, I think there's no better feeling than that of a fresh start and a fresh reset. One of the ways we can accomplish this is through a life admin day or a life reset day. By doing all of those little things that can sometimes fall by the wayside, you can regain a sense of control in your life and create a clean slate to foster creativity and help you relax. These are the things that are low-key on your mind, but are not screaming for your attention. I try to do a little life admin day about once per month, though if you can get to it at least once a quarter, you'll probably start feeling more in control of everything. In this video, I've compiled just a bunch of ideas and things that you can do during your life admin day to help you feel more in control and keep your life running smoothly. I'm Sara Stilleke. I'm a scientist and peak performance enthusiast, and my channel is all about how to help you level up to your peak performance. The first thing you can do that is probably at the top of your mind is to go through a deep cleaning checklist. You probably already get the basics done on a regular basis, like vacuuming the floor and doing the dishes. But if you search online for a deep cleaning checklist, you can find tons of checklists broken down by rooms of the house with ideas that you probably wouldn't normally think about, like dusting on top of the refrigerator or cleaning the grout in the bathtub. I personally live in a pretty small apartment and can get through everything in one day. But if you live in a larger home, it might be more reasonable to focus on one area of your house each month so that you can really deep clean each area. The second idea is to do a review of all your finances and make sure everything is up to date. Pull up your checking and savings accounts, 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, brokerage accounts, student loan statements, credit card statements, mortgage statements, and anything else you may have, just to review everything and stay current on your financial situation. This is a good thing to do regularly to make sure that you are on the right track with your finances and to feel current and caught up with everything. Make any changes that may be necessary and update your passwords if needed. You can use a password manager to keep these safe so that you can change passwords regularly and not worry about forgetting them. The third idea for a life admin day is to wash all your laundry and fold and put everything away. I'm not sure if anyone else does this, but I will often do a load of laundry, put it in the basket, and just live out of the laundry basket for the next few days until I get around to folding it. It feels great to actually put the clean laundry away and have a clean space. While you are washing your clothes, you can also take this time to wash all of your dish towels, bed sheets, comforters, bathroom mats, and any throw blankets that you might keep around the house. The fourth idea for Life Admin Day goes hand in hand with doing your laundry, and that is to organize your closet. During the hustle and bustle of daily life, my closet can become a bit disorganized, so it's good to reset this frequently used space. First, take a look at all the clothes in your closet. Are they appropriate for the current season? If it's the middle of the summer, you probably don't need to use up that valuable closet space with a big winter coat. So go ahead and fold this into a box labeled winter clothes. Are all of your clothes in good condition? Do they fit the way you like? Do you enjoy wearing them? This can be a great chance to create more space in your closet by folding away the clothes that you won't be wearing for a while, donating those that you no longer love, and getting rid of the ones that are falling apart. With all the space left over in your closet, it can be fun to notice that if there are any important items missing, and buy one special new item to improve the quality of your wardrobe. Idea number 5 for your life admin day is to schedule all of your appointments. We all have those appointments that happen infrequently enough that it's easy to forget about them. I recommend making lists of these types of appointments and scheduling them out for the next few months. This can include your annual physical with your doctor, your dentist appointment, your optometrist appointment, your hair appointment, and the oil change for your car. I personally like to schedule a doctor day, where I take a full day off from work and visit the primary care physician, dentist, and optometrist all on the same day. These places can book up quickly, so it's best to book them a few months in advance if possible. The sixth idea for Life Admin Day is to organize your pantry. I cook pretty frequently for myself, and sometimes the pantry can get a little out of hand over time until one day you notice it looks like a disaster zone. By taking the time to clean out your pantry, you can create the feeling of a fresh start in your own kitchen. I like to start by taking everything out of the pantry and cleaning the inside to remove any spills or dust that have accumulated. Check to make sure that nothing is expired and that you actually like everything in your pantry. Make sure your spices and other items are in nicely sealed containers and that nothing has been sitting out in the open for too long. If you are running low on certain spices or ingredients, replace them before you run out. Finally, put everything back and bask in how organized your cabinets look. Idea number 7 is to organize your digital space. There are tons of different things you can do that fall under this umbrella. But in general, I like to go through my phone to check on all the apps I have installed. If there are any that you no longer need, go ahead and delete those. Take a look at what subscriptions you're signed up for. It's easy to lose track of how many $5 monthly subscriptions we've signed up for, and those fees can really add up. Take a second to unsubscribe to anything that no longer serves you. I also like to go through my spam folder and unsubscribe to any promotional email list that I don't want to be on. Make sure everything is backed up. In your physical space, make sure that all the chargers around your house are where you want them, and get rid of any old chargers or cords that are no longer needed. Make sure everything is updated to the latest software and firmware if needed, and take a minute to dust off that internet router and any smart home devices that may have collected dust. The 8th idea for Life Admin Day is for those people who may have a car. Our car can be an extension of our home, for better or worse sometimes. Spoil yourself with a nice car wash, or go wash your car, inside and out. Bring in all the sweaters, shoes, water bottles, and other things that have been living in your car that really don't belong there. Make sure that the oil change is up to date, or else put on the calendar when it will be needed. Top off that tank of gas. There is nothing worse than hopping in the car when you're running late for an important event, only to find out that you are almost out of gas. Take a look at the recommended maintenance for your vehicle to make sure everything's up to date. These things do cost money, but preventative maintenance is way cheaper than emergency maintenance. The 9th idea for Life Admin Day is to fill up your calendar with all the things you don't want to miss. If your friend is hosting a party in 3 weeks, make sure you've blocked off that time in your calendar so you don't miss it. If there's a cool concert coming to town next month that you want to attend, buy tickets now and put it in your calendar. If you want to have regular date nights with your partner, schedule those now so that life doesn't get in the way. And if there are any weekend trips or vacations that you want to take, block off those dates in the calendar now so that you actually have the time blocked and can plan the trips. Finally, we've made it to the 10th idea. Every person's life and routine is different, and there are probably things that deserve to happen on your Life Admin Day that are unique to you. Take some time to do a brain dump and list everything that is still on your mind so that you can have a guide of what to accomplish next, either during Life Admin Day or another time. There are tons of resources online that can help trigger your thoughts about different life areas. One basic one is called the Wheel of Life, where you can reflect and take notes on these areas of your life: physical environment, business and career, finances, health, family and friends, romance, personal growth, and fun and recreation. And these are my 10 ideas for how to make the most out of a Life Admin Day. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I missed, or if you have a favorite thing that you do on your Life Admin Day. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.